how to upload video on Google Classroom. In this video, I'll show you how to upload video on Google Classroom. So to get started, go ahead and open Google Classroom into your browser. You can also do this on the mobile app or the tablet application on your device, and then go ahead and sign in into your Google Classroom account, and then from here head over into that specific class where you want to upload or where you need to upload a video. And then on that class, go ahead and head over to the classwork tab, and then click on create, and then set this to material. And then from here, go ahead and click on upload. Now from here, click on browse, and that will take you to your local drive. And then from here, select the video that you want to upload and click on open. Now your video will start uploading into Google Classroom, and once it's uploaded, you'll be able to find it into the section. And that is how you can basically upload video on Google Classroom. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.